Hey guys, Fahzman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can unlock Android screen lock including pin, pattern and fingerprint lock. There are various ways through which you can easily remove Android lock screen password, pin, fingerprint or pattern lock. One of the appropriate and perfect solutions to remove lock screen of Android is to use Android lock screen removal software. Download and install PassFab Android Unlocker on your computer. As a professional Android password unlock tool, it enables you to remove Android pin, pattern or fingerprint lock without password. And it works on 99% Android phones. The link of this software is available in the video description. After installation, launch the program. Here are two options: remove screen lock and remove Google lock. So if you want to remove Android screen lock, then choose this option and connect your device to the computer with a USB cable. Then click Start button to remove the lock screen passcode. Then you must confirm that removing the lock screen password will erase all data on the device. Click Yes, then it will start to remove lock screen automatically. Then reboot your Android phone into recovery mode by following the instructions on the screen. First of all, long press the power button plus volume down button to power off the device. Press and hold together power button plus Bixby plus volume up. Release all buttons when logo appears. And you will see the interface of recovery mode. Click on Next. Choose Wipe Data Factory Reset with volume button to select and use power button to confirm. Select Yes and click power button to restart the device. After selecting the Wipe Cache partition, click Yes to confirm. Then select the option Reboot System Now and click the power button to confirm. And click on Next. Within a few minutes, the whole process will be complete and you can see screen password has been removed successfully. So the link of this software is available in the video description. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.